Hey, what if I told you that you could actually turn all your gaming time into a way to earn some real money? Today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Before I dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new ways to make money online. I'm always sharing the latest tips, tricks, and legit opportunities to boost your income from home. And let me know in the comments what country you're watching from. I'd love to make videos just for your region. Different countries sometimes have different apps and opportunities, so your feedback helps me help you. Alright, let's talk about getting paid to play games. There's this site called GameTester, and it's as cool as it sounds. It connects gamers like you with developers who need honest feedback on their games. Basically, you test out new games, give your honest feedback, and then boom, you get rewarded. Your opinions actually help shape the games that millions of people will play in the future. GameTester is available pretty much everywhere, and there's even a mobile app on both Google Play and the App Store, so you can do this on your phone or your computer wherever you are. Whether you're at home, on the go, or just chilling between classes, you can jump in and start testing. Once you join, you'll get access to your member dashboard. This is your main hub, where you'll see all the available games, your progress, and your rewards. That's where you find all the games ready for testing. There's usually a good variety, from action-packed shooters to relaxing puzzle games, so you can pick what interests you most. Just click on a game and you'll see a set of instructions. These are super important, so make sure you read them carefully. These usually tell you what you need to do inside the game. Maybe hit a certain level, try out a new feature, or complete a specific mission. Sometimes they'll ask for your thoughts on the graphics, gameplay, or even the storyline. Most of the time you'll need to download and install the game. Don't worry, the process is usually quick and safe, and you'll get clear instructions every step of the way. But make sure you follow every step, because to get paid, you gotta finish those requirements. If you skip something, you might miss out on your reward, so double check your checklist before you submit. Now, once you've completed everything, you'll get a notification. This lets you know that your progress has been tracked and you're ready for the next step. Then, just close the game and hit the complete test button on your dashboard. This is how you officially let GameTester know you're done and ready to get paid. That's when you get your reward. It's a great feeling to see those points or coins pop up, knowing you just got paid for playing a game. And here's a pro tip. You can also earn by inviting friends to join the site. The more friends you bring in, the more you can earn together. If you know other gamers who'd love this, send them your referral link and rack up even more rewards. It's a win-win. You help your friends discover a cool way to earn, and you both benefit. Speaking of rewards, you earn gold coins and experience points for each test you finish. These add up over time, and the more active you are, the faster you'll reach your payout goals. And when you've got enough, you can cash out. It's super flexible, so you can choose when and how you want to get paid. You can get prepaid Visa cards, do a bank transfer, or go for gift cards at top stores. Whether you want to treat yourself to something special or just add to your savings, the choice is yours. So if you're gaming anyway, why not get paid for it? It's a fun, easy way to turn your passion into profit, and you might even discover some awesome new games along the way. If you have any questions or want me to cover more ways to earn as a gamer, drop a comment below. I'm always looking for new ideas and love hearing from you. I really appreciate you watching. Your support means a lot, and it helps me keep bringing you the best tips and reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with notifications on, so you're always in the loop for the next big gaming money hack. There's always something new coming up, and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for hanging out, and happy gaming. Remember, your next favorite game and your next paycheck could be just a click away.